It's reset. Overload.
According to my meter, it's only pulling 13 amps. Is that 1 or 4?
Number 4, 7.5.
4 to 7.5. I don't remember if they're the same or not. I don't think they
You want
were.
to change it when we re-drilled it, remember?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yep. So we drilled that one deeper.
Yeah.
And I think we put a 4-inch liner in it.
Yep.
And I don't remember, I'm fairly certain we put a new pump in it at that
You
time.
did put a new pump in at the time.
But that's been, over 10 years ago probably?
Probably.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
So it goes straight to 13 amps and faults out.
Fingers are good, I'll check them.
1.
Reset.
Okay.
You still having issues?
Well, the main line's clear, and I can use everything in my including the washer in the basement, but I can't use the showering toilet in the basement. There's a clog between those
Gotta be,
two and the main one. My dad just hasn't had a chance to get back through there and snake it again, but I'm afraid that he's pushing whatever. I feel like it's been snaked from those sections, whatever it is, they're just pushing it back and forth. Because when they got the basement flowing, it clogged up outside, and then when we got that going, because they went from septic to inside, I don't know, I really, I don't have to bust up my basement.
It's megging out okay. In the 20s and 30s.
Which is about 13 amps to start, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, should be about 13.
$11.5 and $13.2 on max.
Yeah.
Those little windows, little vents,
Those are vents, yeah.
why so summer?
I'm sorry?
Why are they so?
Winter.
I've never noticed them steam all these years.
We do that all the time.
Never noticed.
You got reverse flow from up to
Yeah.
load up.
How about that? Never knew. And over there too. 2 years ago.
Give me a view. And
Yes, sir.
I can't read it. Read the tank level.
$15.7.
15 feet.
15.9, yeah, 160.
Yep.
So we're getting there.
Yep.
Well, 20.
Yeah.
They just gonna keep feeding it until it won't push any more in.
I'd like to feed it to about 40 feet, 45 feet, and then it'll be good for a week.
Did they tell you where they were getting the water at in Benton, Steve?
They do not know. Didn't come up.
You only got the 13.8. I've got the overload set to 19.
What's going on?
Let me try to catch it on the SubMonitor and see what it actually says.
Yeah. I tried to reset it a half a dozen times, it just gets overloaded.
Yeah. Oh, that time it tripped out on underload.
What's that?
That time it tripped on underload.
I don't know what underload means, sorry, Mark.
Underload means it didn't get to full amperage
Huh.
in whatever the allotted time the SubMonitor's set for. Overload is set to 80%, 10.8.
Okay.
But yet when I select motor, it's set to 13.5. What the hell's going on here? Underload.
Or actually.
Yeah, the underload is set at 10.2 and the overload is set at 10.8 when max on that motor is 13.2.
Yeah.
So
Which is
that's
reasonable, right?
well, I mean, it should be set at, they've got it set at 80%.
75, 80%.
Let's do, most of the time it's 110% on the overload.
Yeah.
All right, now let's go back to underload. And let's do 70%. Cross our fingers. Not a damn.
Huh.
So I wonder, did you guys have a power outage up here?
We don't know.
Yeah, we don't know.
Okay.
Something went on over the weekend.
Oh,
Interesting.
look at her.
Why isn't the, everything else on the,
Probably because I got it in hand mode.
oh, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
which is fine. It's normal, Mark, I can tell by looking at
I just want to do my due diligence while I'm here, Steve.
it. It's about, it's coming on at 90, settles down at about 70. You know.
Okay. Makes sense because we've got an 80 gallon a minute pump in, didn't they?
Yep, yep. And the problem is the well recovers way up, see?
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Yeah, I got a really high static on it.
Yeah. Huge high static on it. for
Yeah.
some reason.
We're going to be landing about 90,
Yeah.
it looks like.
It'll settle to 70, 72, 73.
Idea on the nose.
Yep.
Yeah, let me throw her over to auto and make sure everything else is working. Right?
Yeah, everything's normal, Mark.
Okay?
Yeah.